The score, wait for the score, wait for the score. It's 17-3. Good morning, good morning. It is 8:30 in the morning. I'm up, been up, but I'm up because my New York Giants is going to play today. Yes, they play the Packers in London this morning. I already had my coffee. I forgot to turn the camera on. So with that being said, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's show you my outfit of the day. Hold on. Outfit of the day. I have my New York Giants shirt on. I couldn't find my blue shorts, so I have on black shorts with my white knee-high socks. So that's my outfit of the day. So with that being said, I am going to turn the game on and get my day started. Oh yeah, about my room, my bedroom. Still not done. Wall's still not done. The game right now is on. My New York Giants, you know, they're not doing too well so far. The score, wait for the score, wait for the score. It's 17-3. Nah, I know that. I knew that. It's 17-3. They letting the Packers do their thing, and I'm not liking that. But it's Sunday football, all day football. Today I am going to create artwork to go over my bed. Then I'll make the bed. Then I'm gonna be done with that part so far. Then I'm gonna finally finish this cardigan. I'm still working on this cardigan because I have other stuff that's keep coming up. But we're gonna get this cardigan done. Come on, Daniel Jones. How you? He almost got sacked. Daniel Jones, I know you're not watching this, but you suck. My lips. What the hell was that? Something on my phone. But yeah, I'm gonna finish doing what I'm doing. So, like I was saying, I was gonna finish doing what I was doing. I took out a whole chicken to do a baked chicken, baked macaroni and cheese, some cornbread, and some vegetables for dinner. Oh, Paul Tutu. Knocked the old man down. Anywho, let me get my day started because, you know, time's going to get away from me. Oh, yeah, I didn't make my bread. Like I said, yesterday was just a whole lot of doing and trying to get that wall. Took up most of my day. But anyway, let me focus on this game and I'll be